The thing is that you solely can't have a sensitive skin. It's either you have a dry sensitive skin, or you have an oily or acne prone sensitive skin, or you have a combination sensitive skin, but you cannot solely have a sensitive skin, because there is no skin type that is called sensitive skin type. So hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about sensitive skin, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys amazing skincare products and also a routine that you can follow for your sensitive skin. Now the thing about sensitive skin is that sensitive skin is a skin type, okay, that easily gets irritated whenever they use skincare products, or whenever they use any form of skincare products. Their skin tends to either stink, burn, or turn red, or just generally cause a form of irritation on their skin. This can be natural, or it can be caused by you using some certain skincare products, especially skin actives, using so many skin actives that actually damage your skin barrier and make your skin become sensitive. So if you have a sensitive skin, all you need to know is that your skin needs tender love and care, okay, for you to be able to achieve that glowing skin that you want. And yes, if you're a sensitive skin person, you can actually have a glowing skin and also a brighter skin as well. Okay, there are some of the ingredients that you guys need to look out for when getting skincare products. Are ingredients like ceramide, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera, oats. These ingredients are very important when it comes to getting skincare products for your sensitive skin, okay? And if you're looking towards brightening up your skin, well, you can try to get products that contain licorice extract or licorice roots in it, okay? Before starting out by giving you guys amazing skincare products that you can use for your sensitive skin, if you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, guys, do so subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, and also leave a comment. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. You are the real MVPs. And to those who are just seeing my face for the first time, welcome. And to those who have been watching me and have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Now when it comes to the routine for a sensitive skin type, the routine is going to be like every normal routine, which is going to include a cleanser, a toner, a serum, a moisturizer, and also a sunscreen. But the only difference are the ingredients that are inside those skincare products. So when it comes to cleansers, you want to use something that is fragrance free, non-foaming, and is balancing, something that is not going to dry up your skin type. Now a very good cleanser that you guys can try is the Face Facts Hydrating Cleanser. Guys, this one is amazing. Like, it's an amazing cleanser that you guys could actually try, because it contains ceramide, it contains hyaluronic acid, and it contains oats. Oats is a very important skincare ingredient if you have a sensitive skin. Oats is something that you should never overlook. You should actually incorporate in your skincare routine. Oats is very important. This particular cleanser is amazing, and it is really gentle on the skin, and it contains ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and oats. It is very good. Now another cleanser that you guys can try is the Simple Kind Skin Micellar Gel Wash. Now this one is also very good. It is very gentle. It's not going to strip your skin, and it's also going to do the work that it's supposed to do for your skin, okay? Now the next step is a toner, and for toners you want to go for something that is really hydrating and soothing, okay? Something that is not going to trigger your skin, okay? You want to go for something that is really hydrating and soothing. Now a very good toner I'm going to be recommending is the Simple Soothing Toner, or the Face Facts Soothing Toner. These toners are very good. See, if you're looking for something that's just going to help to hydrate your skin, these toners are amazing. But if you also want to brighten up your skin and you're looking for a brightening toner that is not going to irritate your skin, you can go for the Aqua Licorice pH Balancing Toner. This toner is amazing. When it comes to skin brightening toners, this should be your best friend. Like, don't joke around with it at all. Now the next step should be serums. And when you want to go for serums, you want to go for serums that will help to repair your skin and also calm your skin. But if you also want to brighten your skin, well, there are also serums out there for you, okay? Now a very good serum that you guys can try is the Face Facts Ceramide Serum. Now this serum should be your best friend. It should be your bestie, okay, to help you repair your skin and also reduce redness. This one should be your best friend, okay? Now you can also use this serum if you have a damaged skincare barrier. You can also follow this my routine, and this serum is a very good serum for you as well. This serum is amazing. It's an amazing serum, okay, for people who have sensitive skin. Now another very good serum that you guys can try if you want to brighten your skin is the Aqua Licorice Serum. Now this one is very good, and it is specifically made for people who have sensitive skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, you guys go and buy it. Like, and you also want to brighten your skin, go and buy it. Like, it is very good for the skin, for your sensitive skin type, and it's also going to help to brighten out your sensitive skin, okay? Now the next serum that you guys can try is the Axis Y dark spot correcting serum. Now this serum is very good. Now the reason why I actually want you to go for this serum is because it contains 2% niacinamide. So if you want to get a niacinamide serum, you can get this one, because this one, the niacinamide in it is quite mild. Or you can go for the Face Pack niacinamide serum. That one is also very good as well. For moisturizers, you want to go for simple barrier repairing moisturizers, okay? And a very good example of that one, Face Pack's moisturizing gel cream. Now this one is very good. It contains ceramide, it contains hyaluronic acid, and it contains oats, which are very key ingredients when it comes to your sensitive skin. You can also go for the simple hydrating light moisturizer, which is also very good. You can try the Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid moisturizer if you are on a budget, okay? This one is also very good as well. Now when it comes to sunscreens, you also want to be careful when getting sunscreens as well. You want to get sunscreens that will irritate your skin, okay? So you want to also go for sunscreens that are very good for your skin type. Now a very good sunscreen that you guys can try is the Uncover sunscreen. You can also try out the Nivea UV sunscreen, which is also very good as well. You can also go for the Bao UV sunscreen, but do not forget to perform a skin patch test first before making use of any of these sunscreens, okay? I know the one that best suits your skin. Now when it comes to exfoliation, you also want to exfoliate your skin, because exfoliation is very important and it is key in every skincare routine. So when it comes to exfoliation, you want to go for lactic acid. Lactic acid is a very good exfoliant for you that is gentle and will not dry out your skin. So you can try out the Face Pack lactic acid serum, which is also very good, that you can actually use to help to exfoliate your skin. Now this is all for this particular video. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and if there are other skincare products that are very good for sensitive skin that I did not mention, also let us know that under the comment section. And so if there's any other video you guys want me to make for you, let me also know that under the comment section, and also ask me your questions, okay? I'll be glad to reply your comments. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, bye.